About 3.
Oh, size square, you'll never know.
Wow, it's like a ramp.
We're gonna do like that. How much gap we want? Gap in your hair, about like that.
About like that, yeah. Just ball it real quick.
Alright, just ball
Here,
it.
you want straight edge?
Yeah, I do.
You get that. Radii.
Radius on radius, though. Right.
Is this where you want this to be?
Close.
It'd be good enough, yeah.
Put a piece of tape. Well, yeah. Hold on. We'll cut this.
Hold on, let me see this first.
Did you want to leave?
Where's your scissors at?
Hey, you get that.
I will.
Look at that jump, dog.
Yes.
Look at that.
This edge needs to be.
We need to go down a little bit, probably.
Yeah. That looks about even to me.
Something like that.
Right.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Top of my toolbox, there's a bag that's got a little hold down.
No, the hold down.
On the top of the bottom.
That you could
Bottom box. On that ledge. There.
One of them? Is that good? Let me have this whole corner. One rip.
Freaking fab layout paper in here in the boat floor. Come on.
I'd say run the shorty right here and then cut the long boy and we'll run down this edge. You know,
Yeah,
just put,
yeah.
You know, patchwork together.
I got this one. Man, square. Lay it down. That's enough.
When have we ever just balled it and it turned out safe? Prime
Pretty
example,
much never.
coffee table.
I know.
Where's a little small nip at? We need to cut one.
For radii,
Yeah.
yeah, probably.
I was gonna say, man, what if we can make one of these and then flip it? But we don't know that we're exactly centered, nor do we know that all this is centered. So we kind of need to make.
That's decent.
Too close enough. You gotta think we're transferring this again. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What size square? This one?
Probably not. Man, we need to run this thing through a bandsaw and make some thin strips.
Or
Bye.
I'll get some 1-inch tape tomorrow.
Honestly, 1 inch would probably work.
I could even buy some 3/4 if we don't want to do
I
that.
can't even. Hey, where you want that? One of them?
Hold on, you just chill. Me, look at that.
I'm trying to.
She ain't gonna run. Where at? One of these?
Right there. Yeah. One of them.
Me, look at that.
She ain't
Follows the curvature.
Pretty close.
Close enough or pretty close?
Where at?
Right there somewhere. Ish. Yeah.
That's all we need.
That's everything, ain't it?
Got this, 2 of them, 1 of these, each of them. 1 of them for each side. Mid piece, 2 back pieces. That's it. Let's go.
Start chopping.
Alright, we got to take this one, put this side down. The top needs to go towards the paper. Just gotta go on this edge.
So we're just gonna leave this and cut near it, or we're not tracing and then cutting?
I was gonna leave it and cut near it, yeah. I'm not really ready to do this, though.
Yeah, that's it. It's gonna look so good.
Oh man, we gotta do this radius. I forgot about that one. Man. See, we'll just radius out a little bit and leave it like
Yeah.
that. But right here, this is what I was talking about.
Dang right, dude. Let's get the rest of them cut and put in here. Is it still pretty short?
Yeah, this fake is nice. Try.
I was just thinking just to get it as clean as possible.
Get them lined up.
Do we want to tape it? We can tape it.
Tape them together.
That tape down to the floor here. I mean, it should stick to this. We find tape. I'll try something first.
What?
Test piece.
Like, just nip them together. See, like right now, my whole both of them need to come straight back towards the back of the boat. Alright, so what I need you to do, once you get your little tape job done, come over here and put you a knee right here. Put you a knee on this right here somewhere. Make sure none of that moves. Alright. Now, there you just have to peel this. There.
Nice. Now hold on, let me get this. Get that where you want. Is that right?
You gotta start laying it down flat. Like, there you go. Just let it go. That's it. That is it. Alright, now hold on there. Alright, make sure you're going straight back to that corner. And
Get there.
we're gonna peel this all the way back up. Get your little. Alright. Now,
This one's gonna be tricky because of that.
just let this flop for a second.
Okay.
So,
As long as you're good there.
huh?
As long as you're good there. Tie it on in there.
There's a gap. See if you can.
Persuade it that way a little bit.
You will trim if you have to. Little tight in here, man, but hey, it's gonna work.
Yeah.
We'll make it fit. Like I said, even if we have to trim it a little bit, still. Okay. See that. Just be easy with it. Plus you can stick that. Lift this up. Now you peel the paper and hold it back. Alright, now go in there kind of at the same time.
You?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
Back off.
So what we're doing here today?
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it.
Yeah. Anyways, so HydroTurf is down. We have everything. A lot of the main edges here we got siliconed in, just to try to keep it from any water getting to them there. Front's done. It's looking great. So what we finna do is start mounting stuff in this unit. because we can. Charlie Puppy, say hello. So tomorrow we can get started on all the wiring. What are we doing? Wiring, fuel, steering, throttle, all the crap that connects the console to the rest of the boat. Get that plumbed in. So we got the fuel line right there. Rest we're doing here. Dudes over yonder. Get you one of them.